Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today's video is about my landmark haul. That is all office or school stationery and stuff, but most of them are really cute and they were on huge sale. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
The first thing I want to show you is this frame. It was on 50% off. It says eat, sleep and all these entertainments and repeat. I wish life could be like that. The cost of this is 700 rupees, but I got it for just 350 on 50% off. And I really like this one. Then next I got some essential notebooks for myself. This one is from Classmate and this costed 100 rupees. And this has the Iron Man logo, my favorite superhero apart from Hulk. And then there was a very good combo. This is Matrika's combo worth 219 rupees, where they have 3 notebooks actually. One A4 or A5 size, the other one is A6 one, and a small notepad. And all of them have these cute doodles and prints going on. Here it says the price is 288, but I got it on offer for 219. So I'm really happy with this purchase too. Then I picked up this small Classmate drawing book. I don't know why, but I think I'll use it somehow. This was really cheap for 25 rupees. Moving on, there was another thing, that's this weekly organizer, which was again on 50% off flat. This was for 349 rupees and this is how it looked. It had all the weekdays mentioned and a notes part here, and there were some sticky notes here. These sticky notes are already gone, but I thought I'll stick some other sticky notes there. And there's an envelope to keep things here. I really wanted to have a planner for myself and this was a good option to have. So that was my next purchase. It's really pretty colorful with butterflies and floral prints. It would look really lovely on any desk. Then I have something different. This was for 109 rupees and again on 50% off. This is actually a stand with a board, black board, on which you can write anything with a chalk. And this is so nice. It's not heavy, it's very lightweight and not of the best quality. I don't want to say it's the best quality, but it's really cute. You can keep it on your desk or anywhere and write whatever you want, and you can change the codes or your notes again and again. It's really quirky. You can make some designs on it. So I really like this one too. Then I got a lot of pens. The first two are these cute fluorescent color pens. These are black gel pens actually, and they have these cutest donuts on them. See how colorful they are. The price of these were 69 earlier, but after discount it was 49 only. So these were the first 2 pair of pens I got. Then I have these candies. They're not really candies, but these are actually pens. They open from here. And these are normal ballpoint pens. But look at those colorful candies. It looks so pretty. The cost of this was 79, but you won't believe that I got them for 29 each. So that was the second pair of pens I got. And then I had this hammer, which was really funny, but this is again a pen. There were other instruments as well, but this caught my attention and I really liked how it looked. So I got this too, and this was for 79 rupees earlier, but I think I got this for 29 or 49. Then I have a very cute thing. This is a fan which works like this, and you can fill in water here and it would even spray that water on your face or wherever you want. So the cost of this toy was 149, but this was again on 30% discount. I saw this in an earlier Guess What box which I did not get, so I was so happy to find this in Landmark. I didn't like this froggy much, but there were no other options and I so wanted to get this, so anyways got this one. And finally I have a sticky note which was on 70% off. The price of this was 99, but this would have costed me around 30 rupees. I don't know what to say. I have so many sticky notes. I don't get to use them, but with the 70% off, I had to get it. And then there is one thing which I did not buy but got as a gift from a friend the same day. We both went shopping together actually, and I really wanted to show this to you guys. It's this beautiful vase she has made herself. I'm so lucky to have such talented friends in my life. This is really very pretty. Thanks a lot, Sippy. I love you. She also wrote a cute note for me. I also got 2 more things as gifts which I am yet to use. One is this pretty sticky note with a girl on it, and then I have these small Beatles clips. This can be used to organize papers or anything. I love both of them. So these are all the things I wanted to share. If you like them, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know which was your favorite in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and you can also participate in the giveaway running on my channel. I'll leave a link to it in the description box. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.